Spoken English practice. Let's start the video. First one is ठीक समय रे आस. Come on time. Come on time. Next. तुमे एहा किपरि कलो बा तुमे एहा केमिति कलो. How did you do it? How did you do it? तापरे कौन? What next? What next? यह सत कि? Is it true? Is it true? तुमर राग यथार्थ अटे. Your anger is justified. Your anger is justified. Next है मोर भाग्य खराब. इंग्लिश रे कहिबा I have a bad luck. I have a bad luck. Next. मु चेष्टा करुछि. I am trying. I am trying. Next. से आसी पारंती. He can come. He can come or you can say she can come. मु पाखापाखी अच्छी. I am around. I am around. Next. तुमे व्यस्त थिबा परि लागुछ. It seems that you are busy. It seems that you are busy. जल्दी फेरी आस. Come back soon. Come back soon. कौन करिबा? What to do? What to do? तुमे किछि कुह. You say something. You say something. तुमे मते कॉल करि परिबो कि बा तुमे मते फोन करि परिबो कि? Can you call me? Can you call me? बहुत देरी होई गला. It's too late. It's too late. Next. किछि समय अपेक्षा कर. Wait for a while. Wait for a while. मु सेठाकू गोटिए थर जाइथिली. I went there once. I went there once. आम सहित आस. Come with us. Come with us. आम सहित आस. Come with us. Next है देखिबा. मु एहा को पसंद करे. I like it. I like it. तुमे भूल. You are wrong. You are wrong. मु एहा को पसंद करे नहीं. I don't like it. I don't like it. तांको सहित कथा हुओ. Talk to him or you can say talk to her. मते किछि समय दियो. Give me some time. Give me some time. एबे बहुत देरी होई गला. Now it is too late. Now it is too late. से बहुत चतुर. He is very cunning or you can say she is very cunning. Next देखिबा. तुमे मो मन किनि नेल. You own my heart. You own my heart. Next. किछि फरक पड़ेनी. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. मो चिंता करनी. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. तते लाज नहीं बा तुमको लाज नहीं. You don't have shame. You don't have shame. तुमे दुखी हुअनी. You don't be sad. You don't be sad. जदि तुमे चाहो. If you want. If you want. जदि तुमे किछि न भाबो. If you don't mind. If you don't mind. किछि भूल है गला. Something went wrong. Something went wrong. आउ किछि. Anything else? Anything else? हे भगवान मते साहाय्य करंतु. Oh God, help me. Oh God, help me. हे भगवान. Oh my God. Oh my God. यह प्रकृତରେ सुंदर. It's really nice. It's really nice. मते विचार करनी. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. निजको दोष दियो नहीं. Don't blame yourself. Don't blame yourself. मते दोष दियोनी. इंग्लिश रे कहिबा don't blame me. Don't blame me. शीघ्र शीघ्र जाओ. इंग्लिश रे कहिबा hurry up. Hurry up. शीघ्र शीघ्र जाओ. नेक्स्ट हैला एहा को तळे रख. Put it down. Put it down. नेक्स्ट एहा को तळे रखनी. Don't put it down. Don't put it down. तुमको करिबाकू हेबो. You have to do. You have to do. तो आजिर होमवर्क हेउची मु डाक्तर हेबी. मु डाक्तर हेबी. एही सेंटेंस रो इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन कोन हेबो कमेंट सेक्शन में जल्दी जल्दी जणांतु. आज वीडियो आपण मन को केमते लागिला निश्चिंत कमेंट करके जणांतु. एवं जदि भल लागिची ताले गोटे लाइक करबा को एवं अन्य मानक सहित शेयर करबा को बिल्कुल भी भूलंतु नहीं. एवं जो माने प्रथम थर करी ए वीडियो देखुचंती एवं एमिति का इंपोर्टेंट वीडियो देखिबा को चाहुचंती ताहले एही चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करी पाखरे थिबा बेल आइकन को क्लिक करी ऑल सिलेक्ट करंतु. जहा फल रे ए चैनल ले अपलोड करा जाउथबा समस्त वीडियो रे नोटिफिकेशन आपण मानक पाखरे प्रथमे पहुंचीबो. थैंक यू.